I just had a sneaking suspicion that we're gonna get one over here. Got him. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Today I am watching my cousin's dog, and they live on a lake, a private lake that I've not really fished. I fished once or twice and caught a couple little ones, but we're gonna try it and see if we can't get on them. There's a storm rolling in. For real, it's a big storm, so I'm hoping that front rolling in gets them fired up. But yeah, let's see how we do. Looks like we'll be fishing in the rain a little bit, so should be interesting. See you guys out there. Alright guys, we're out here. We're gonna start frogging this. See if we can't get a couple on frogs, because I have not actually caught a frog fish this year. Get a big one and come out of here and smash it. Throwing this dark scum frog, and I just walk them over these pads and let them sit in these little holes here. Oh, got one. Get him out of there. Oh yeah. Oh, first frog fish. Oh yeah, that's not a bad fish either. Whew. If you're gonna do it, do it like that. Thanks for playing, buddy. That was fun. I feel like they might be schooled up on this little island of lily pads. Honestly, I don't know how deep it is under these lily pads, but there's no structure outside of the lily pads. I'm just gonna fish the edges of this little island. Let it fall down to the bottom. Oh, there. Oh, man. They're toying with it today. Just tossing that in there. I might try that a little bit more. Man. Oh, got out. I always try to like keep an eye out for disturbances in the water. See if we can pop another one. Big, something big just came out. Ooh. Okay. Twitch it a little bit. Got him. Get out of there. Get out of there. Oh, yeah. Came back for it. Woo. Keep it. Got that. Whew. Great fish. See if we can get, we got about an hour to film out here. See if we can get it. Oh no! If I can get this fish out here. Oh my god! I was dying close to this. Oh my god! Are you kidding? Oh, I cannot believe I just hit that fish all the way back here. This is easily 20 yards, 30 yards back. Oh my god, that was nuts. I guess the shorter live one seems like it's holding on. Yeah.
fish. Wow. Adios, baby. Thanks for playing. It's a blast. I forgot how fun this frog fishing stuff was. Right there. Let's see if we can get him. I'm seeing some wake. I'm so tired. Got a good one, guys. That was a big fish. Ooh. Right under the. Oof. That would be a sick fifth fish. Come on, baby. Don't play. Oh, yeah. Under the dock. Ooh. There we go. Barely hooked. Look at that thing. It's not a thick, I mean, it's not a super thick fish, but man, I love it. I love it. I love it. Let's get a little release on it. Oh, gold. Let's do this every day. I love it. Yes, I see the water just moving around. Oh, that is a nice fish. I saw the water, like, it just felt like something was in there. Oh, yeah. All in our shots today. I mean, I think we can get another one. Got 20 minutes and a little bit of battery. We're gonna frog that. I just had a sneaking suspicion that we're gonna get one over here because it is just flat. This can be. Man, it's too good. Oh, got him. Sick. I just noticed. Oh, yeah. Just slamming this frog. Easy killer. Oh, they're just sucking. They want it. Let's just put it that way. And another one. Thanks for playing. Actually the first time I used a frog reel this year, so to just absolutely waylay them like that felt pretty good, not gonna lie. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you get a chance, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Got some big plans for the year. We're heading to South Carolina in about a month or so, and it's gonna be fun. We got a lot in store for the channel. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time.